Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, for the phone like Huawei U5, like an example, 2018, 2017, 2019, 2016, or any other kind similar of type with the Android 8, you can safely disable such applications. So in general, system applications are of 106. So we can freely even remove using, for example, this free program ADB app control, and we can remove, not even disable, such apps safely with no problems to start our device or to start any other programs, to start phone calls and different programs. So this is in Italian language, but you see the name of the package is in general English language international standard. So here is the list. You can delete them, not even disable, but delete completely, as you see. But for example, YouTube, general official standard YouTube, you can delete. As you see, it takes too much space without updates. But you need some other program. PlayTube, for example, you can use this one. So which one you do not need from the list, you can freely delete, not just disable but delete. This is official photo camera program or app, as you call it, of this model. You need to have some other one to use the camera. So these are applications you can freely delete with no problem for your device to start to work, to make calls, to use internet and so on. Also, this is the list of disabled programs. For example, Google Play Store you can disable if you do not need it to use your RAM. For example, this phone has the RAM of 1876 megabytes, and now it is using 859 megabytes of memory. But as you see, it's switched off in general, like in sleep mode. So low quantity of memory. So you can disable these apps. Probably you can delete most of them, but I didn't do this. So eliminated, deleted apps, programs, the quantity is of 20, and disabled the quantity of 6. So you can just enable Google Play Store for some programs to work. If they require it, then you can disable it again. That is all. Such a manual glorifies the God forever.